product. It's Opove. Let's open this bad boy and see what's the hype. Woo! Sick. It comes with the charger, right? So that's the massage gun. Pretty nice. All these different, you know, little massage bullets, you can call it, for your body. Right? All you gotta do is just clip it on there, like soft, gentle, and just like twist a little bit, and that's it. Let's turn it on. And so let's go ahead. You see, this one gives it like a different massage. The one that we just use is more, you go more deep in there into your, you know, your muscle. So, yeah, it feels good. Shout out to Opove. You guys are the best. This is definitely gonna help me in so many ways. You guys don't even understand. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Oh yeah. I could just chill here and just, you know, watch the view while I'm getting a massage. So yeah, this definitely comes in clutch. You guys can bring this with you everywhere. Just make sure that you guys charge it full battery. If you guys want to buy this, I'll link it in the description so you guys can copy yourself one. We're gonna go try it on Mishka. He's right now filming. Got you. Let's go. Let's see, Mishka. Tell me your options.
I was doing Willie the other day, and my back is killing me.
I feel like this one.
The back?
Yeah. Put a more sound. There we go. Let's turn this on.
Since I was practicing Willie,
Yeah.
my shoulders is killing me. I was definitely
Facts, right? Pretty nice. So yeah, guys, let us know in the comments. This thing is pretty gnarly.
Hello.
Hello, how you doing? Oh, two packages. Perfect. Thank you. Great timing. Thank you.
No problem.
Hello.
Thank you.
No problem.
Oh, hi, thank you.
No problem.
Yes.
Back outside in the streets, you already know the vibes. On the Rari, dropping up one order by West Broadway. Let's get to it. I got a delivery for you guys. Do I give it to you? I gotta go upstairs.
You have to go upstairs.
Upstairs? Alright. Thank you. That was it, but I mean. Copy. No problem. Yo, what is up, y'all? It's your boy Undercomer. We are back outside the streets. Just dropping off like the third order of the day. It is 6:11. We have 1 mile to go, and then we're gonna go home. Who knows? I might go to Central Park or go to Prospect, do some labs. So, yeah, guys, we're gonna go back downstairs, unlock Rari, and go back to the shop. So, yeah, hope you guys are out there killing it, having a good day today, for me, because you know at the end of the day, no one to do for you. You gotta go out there and do it yourself. We are back outside, rocking 100% goggles, speed trap, and the Cash Proton. Yes, sir. Anyways, I'm gonna try to pick us on. Enjoy the ride. I hate when this happens, man. At least my man still had to lock up their bike. Last time, I locked my bike up, and the dude locked his lock against my bike, so you know I couldn't take my bike out. But anyways, let's go get on the ride. And also one thing. I kind of want to host like a ride out, so anyone out there watching this video, if you ride fixed here, pull up, you know what I mean, because I be seeing you guys in the streets, and it honestly is dope meeting you guys in the streets, and I would love to interact with all of you guys, you know, ride out and have fun, you know, who knows. So be on the lookout. Make sure you guys follow me on IG, so that way you guys get notified with anything that I post. But stay tuned, I'm thinking about that. And also merch is coming real soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, overall we are outside. Shout out to all of you guys all around the world once again for love and support. I love you guys. We're gonna go and film. Oh, he almost ate it. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go strap the GoPro on and continue with the delivery. So yeah, enjoy the ride.